This is the plaintiff, Shirley Jones. She says she purchased a used Hot Point stove from the defendant, and the thing broke down in less than a year. The defendant charged her $103.50 to repair it. She feels she was ripped off because the stove shouldn't have broken down in less than a year, and she's suing this unscrupulous guy for trying to take advantage of her. This is the defendant, Mitchell DeBlock. He says the igniter on the stove went kaplooey, so he replaced it. He also fixed her wiring and got the stove into perfect working order. She used to be a good customer of his, so he did the repairs for a discounted amount, and now this woman has the nerve to turn around and sue him? Some people are just never satisfied. He's accused of cooking up a lawsuit.
All parties, please raise your right hand.
Welcome back to the People's Court. Next case on the docket. The plaintiff bought a Hot Point stove from the defendant and it broke within a year. But the defendant says he fixed the thing a bunch of times. He even replaced the igniter. It's the case of Light My Fire.
Thank you, Douglas.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Shirley Jones.
Yes.
You are suing Mitchell DeBlock and Extreme Appliance for $103.25, the amount that you paid for a repair of a used stove that you bought from them, and it didn't fix things. Tell me what happened.
I purchased a stove in 2016, September 2016, used appliance store. And
So you purchased a used Hot Point?
yes.
Okay.
And in July, less than 1 year, the stove wasn't working. So I had a difficult tenant. I called the store and I explained it to the store rep, and he said they can get it repaired. I asked him, please get it repaired because the tenant is difficult. She's using any excuse not to pay her rent. They assured me they could repair it, but before they could even go out, I needed to pay them $103.25.
Why?
That was their policy, Anthony told me.
Okay, what's your service charge for going out and diagnosing something?
So the normal service charge is $60 for diagnosis. What we did was we charged her $50. The $103 comes in is because after we were there, we found a problem with the stove, and we charged her a second time $50 for a stove igniter, and then the $3 and change was the tax.
All right, now did that fix it though?
It did not.
Okay, I assume this was out of warranty.
Yes, it was.
How long was the warranty?
The warranty was 60 days.
Right.
Now, and I'm not 100% sure if she had a partial. What we do for some of our customers is give them a partial warranty for 10 months. So she didn't have her paperwork, and I couldn't find it. It was almost a year ago. So we treated her as a partial warranty, even though there was no paperwork to be found.
Which meant what? What's the benefit?
$50 plus the part, which is roughly 40, 50%, depending on the appliance.
So what is warranted though?
The whole stove. Well, the whole stove. So if there's a problem, we don't charge more than $50 labor, and then whatever the part is. And that's
What happens if you don't fix it? Because in this case, you didn't fix it. So then what? What happens to the partial warranty?
So what we do,
does what?
Well, it's always $50. The partial warranty is $50.
No,
That's just my labor to go there.
I know. So there's no warranty on making sure the thing works or getting a replacement or anything else?
No, I mean,
Okay. So now I understand that, you went several times, and I understand that, you have a service fee. Even if you can't fix it, the customer knows that they have to pay the $50 service fee. But what good does an igniter plus tax do this lady if it didn't fix it? I know what you mean.
To her credit, kind of none.
Right.
But we
to her credit, had you given her the credit, she wouldn't be here.
Exactly.
But let me finish.
And now you lost a customer.
But about the partial. So we explained to Shirley.
No, just tell me why you won't return $53.25.
I will explain.
Okay, I'm going to you in the back. You ever bought anything real expensive?
Yeah.
Did you get a warranty for it?
Yeah.
Did you read the warranty?
No.
Now, why did you not read the warranty?
Well, it's you expect to buy something and you get a warranty, you expect it to be covered.
Fair. And boy, your kid has the color of your beard. Cute kid. Okay. You ever read the warranty when you buy something expensive?
No.
It's like nobody does. We're going to talk about it. Going inside the courtroom.
I offered to give her another stove. You're going to need a stove. I said, I will take the whole $103 off. And so I had a stove for $250. I'll give it to you for $150. She said, I'll think about it. I never heard from her. 3 months later, I have the paperwork to go to court.
Is it accurate that he offered the 103 credit towards a new one, but you didn't want to do it?
No. What is accurate is that I said to him, being the great customer I have been, repeat customer, I've always used your.
How many times have you bought appliances from him?
I want to say maybe 4.
Wow.
4. So, and I've asked Anthony, his worker who's not here, is an awesome young man. Anthony, can you talk to your boss about, giving me a discount? I did, Shirley, but he won't do it. He won't budge. So he was there today when I came in, and he actually said to me, and they're scared to death. They're standing there shivering, and he said to me, he looked at me, and he goes, "You're lucky you're not one of my employees right now, because I would be cussing you out."
For what?
Because I'm standing there asking him, why do I have to give him an additional $250 to buy another stove when you're holding my $103.25? That didn't make sense to me.
I don't think it was well, he says it wasn't an additional $250.
No, it was, Your Honor.
Okay.
He was not willing to work with me.
What happened that you would say that to your customer?
None of what she just said is true at all. None of what she said. I not only offered her the $150 off on a $250 stove, $100, I also gave her a second deal, a different stove for $200 with the $100 off. So one was $100 and one was $150.
Well, none of the deal making worked. You lost a customer, and so here we are. So the question that I have is why. Yes, the customer always knows there's a $50 diagnostic. If the thing can't be fixed, the customer's always going to be out the $50, and I think that's appropriate. But why should she be stuck with $53.25? And the answer to that is she shouldn't. I don't think that's fair. So I'm ruling in favor of the plaintiff in the amount of $53.25, plus, of course, your court costs, which I'm sure were more than $53.25. Good luck, folks.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
So the plaintiff does get some money back, $53 she gets back. What are your reaction to this? You okay with it?
Am I okay with it? I am. I actually offered her more from the beginning.
Yeah.
So I'm okay with it. Do I 100% agree with it? No.
She pays $53. She has a warranty. The warranty really doesn't do much good, though, does it, at this point, if you can't fix it?
Well, no, and we explained that to her, that when you put this part on, there could be additional problems. You can't tell the second problem until you get the first problem
fixed. Could you ever fix it? Or was it unfixable?
Well, no, that's what I ended up telling her. I ended up telling her that.
So you got to give her $53 back.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay,
Thanks.
Thank you very much. All right, Ms. Jones, you're smiling.
I am indeed.
Why?
Because I want my $53.25.
You're going to get it.
That's what I want.
Why'd you file this lawsuit?
Principal.
Good for you. Did you get your situation rectified? You have a working stove now?
Absolutely.
You didn't get it from him, did you?
Absolutely not.
Okay, good enough.
Thank
you very
you.
much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. It's the principal, Harvey.
Okay, first of all, look, at least read the important parts of the warranty. And secondly, if the thing breaks during the warranty period, the warranty stays until the item is fully fixed. So that means you have a 1-year warranty, but it takes a year and a half to fix, you're still covered.